What is the issue here?
All of the petitioners belong to the EWS category, my lord, and
all the petitioners belong to reserve category candidate, my lord. They have selected against the UR seats.
Oh, this is that teacher.
Yes, my lord. Primary teacher, all the
Primary teacher.
teacher, my lord.
Yes.
And my lord, the post
meritorious, they got selected as an unreserved candidate, and they say that choice that was not given to by virtue of being migrated to the category, and it was rather given to the lesser meritorious candidates of the same category which they earlier belonged to. They have claimed. So, my lord, firstly,
So merit is a demerit.
uh,
If you're more meritorious, you get to lose your choice. If you are less meritorious, you get your choice.
both these seats are of teacher only, my lord.
Issue is not teacher.
My lord.
If you ask for preferences,
My lord.
that means the person in higher in merit will get his choice first.
My lord.
It's like the counseling which happens in medical colleges.
My lord.
So they are meritorious. They have succeeded to come in the general category on their merit.
My lord.
So you don't give them their choice.
But we follow roster system, and depending upon these seats as they are reserved.
Then apparently there is some error in your system.
My lord, in
where
fact,
merit has become a demerit for them.
we treat both in fact, the posts are of the same category. My lord,
Maybe
same
then
class.
give them their choice.
My lord, all cases are different. Some cases.
How many petitioners are there?
There are
6 cases.
6 cases.
Like the one in which I am filing reply just now, they have not been able to say that the choice which they have made has been allotted to somebody else. They have, my lord.
Give them their choice.
My lord,
if there is seat available, accommodate them.
Plus seat is, I have the chart, my lord.
My lord,
for all the 6
Yes,
there are seats.
Yes,
then accommodate them. Why get into this controversy?
Subject my submission is there.
Those
Let them move an application in that regard. I will file response.
Oral prayer.
What is the difficulty which we are facing?
Take down. Learned counsel for the petitioner. That's already part of the order.
Part of the order, I have also submitted the rejoinder, my lord.
In fact, I have raised an objection.
7th August, we've already noted this point.
Yes. On the last date, my laws have, in fact, if my laws may remember, I have raised an objection that he says that some other candidate has been given the school of his choice. So I raised an objection by relying on Supreme Court judgment that other person is required to be necessarily included in the party because it is his.
He doesn't want anybody to be non-suited. He says there are vacancies available. And please tell, how do you say they're equal? One is in the education department, other is tribal welfare department.
Schools in the education department, schools in the tribal welfare department. They are both schools, my lord. And they are getting the same pay scale.
Tribal welfare department schools are where all?
My lord, they are situated in the tribal areas. My lord,
everyone wants, that means somebody in the education department can get posted to a big city. Tribal welfare department will only be placed in tribal areas. So how do you say they're equal?
My lord, in fact, otherwise on merits as well, we are contesting. We are saying that, my lord, in this case, we'll file the response. In other cases, we have filed the response. We have tried to make out a response.
You have to consider the case.
My lord. But insofar as my humble submission is that if they say that they should be accommodated on other posts available, then they should move in appropriate. We will file the response to it. My lord,
Direct counsel for the petitioner submits that there are still posts available in the education department.
In every district,
at the places where the petitioners had respectively given their choices. You have a list?
Yes, my lord. I have the
list. Give us the list. A list of such positions in the form of analytics/reports has been produced in court. Copy of the same has been furnished to learned counsel for the respondent who pays for time to take instructions. At request lists in week commencing 21st October. Please take instructions. Because if there is an anomaly, cure it and complete this.
I'll take a strike.
And Millard, one of the cases is related to the police recruitment, Millard. This case is squarely covered with the judgment of Praveen Kumar Kurmi case, Millard. Praveen Kumar Kurmi was the police constable. He was posted in SAF and UR category. He traveled to the Honorable Supreme Court, Milord. Honorable Supreme Court has passed the order, Milord. To this case, item number, Milord, 16.
Anyway, what are you seeking?
Milord, I am seeking DF, District Police Force. SAF 2, District Police Force in our category.
In that case which is relying on, these sub
Anyways, take instructions on that also. Ultimately, issue is the same.
Number 43.
46.
My lord, in that case, item number 40, any date in November she is requesting for.
All right, take some date. 5th, 6th, 7th, 8th कोई या 11वां वाले हफ्ते में दे दो कभी भी दे दो अपने हिसाब से देख